This video is sponsored by Picastro. It's like Instagram for space nerds.
Welcome to a Space Oddities Mars Month presentation, and this one is the historic Mars missions of Mariner and Viking explorers. Part 1. The Dawn of Mars Exploration. Before the 1960s, Mars remained a distant, mysterious world, known only through telescopes. The space race would change everything as NASA sets its sights on the Red Planet, beginning a new chapter in space exploration. So, November the 28th, 1964, Mariner 4's historic flyby. This was its first close encounter, and it was very successful. It had sent back 21 close-up images revealing a cratered moon-like surface and revolutionized our understanding. Mars was barren and mysterious. The mission traveled 523 million kilometers through space to give humanity its first up-close view of another planet. The Red Planet revealed. This historic first image from Mariner 4 shocked scientists who had expected to see canals, vegetation, and even signs of civilization. Instead, they got a desolate, cratered world, more like our moon than Earth. Overcoming early challenges. Deep space communications. Communicating across 56 million kilometers of space required a revolutionary new data transmission technology. Harsh space environment, survived cosmic radiation, micrometeorites, and extreme temperature fluctuations. Engineering breakthroughs, pioneered spacecraft design, elements that would become standard in future missions. Mariner 6 and 7, Expanding the View, 1969. Building on Mariner 4's success, these twin spacecraft conducted the first systematic survey of Mars, revealing dozens of photos over Mars' equatorial regions, confirmation of a barren surface with no signs of vegetation or water, critical data on Mars's thin atmosphere and a surface temperature as low as minus 123 degrees centigrade. Part 2. The Viking program. First Mars landings. After the Mariner missions revealed Mars from orbit, the next logical step was to touch down on the surface. The Viking program would make history as humanity's first successful Mars landing mission. July and September 1976. First successful Mars landings. Historic touchdowns. Viking 1 landed in Chrysi, Planitia on July the 20th, 1976. Viking 2 landed on Utopia, Planitia on September the 3rd, 1976. Marked humanity's first controlled landings on Mars' surface. Landing sites were carefully selected to be scientifically interesting, yet relatively safe for landing, balancing risk with scientific potential. touching down on the red planet. This image shows Viking 1 lander with its robotic sampling arm extended. The arm could reach out, scoop soil samples, and deliver them to onboard scientific instruments for analysis. A remarkable technological achievement for the 1970s. Scientific breakthroughs from Viking's landers. Martian soil analysis. Conducted first ever soil sampling on Mars using a 3-meter robotic arm to collect and analyze Martian regolith. Life detection experiments. Performing 3 pioneering biology experiments. Gas exchange. Labeled release and pyrolytic release. Ambiguous results. They found no definitive evidence of microbial life, but detected unexpected chemical reactions that continue to intrigue scientists today. The Viking biology experiments produced curious results that some researchers still debate, highlighting the complexity of searching for life beyond Earth. Viking's orbiter's contributions. Eyes in the sky. Captured over 52,000 high-resolution images of Mars's surface. Mapped ancient riverbeds and massive floodplains, providing the first clear evidence of past water on Mars. Served as critical communication relays between the landers and the Earth, and the orbiter's images revealed as a world shaped by water in its distant past, a revolutionary discovery. Mission longevity and legacy. Viking 1 lander operated for 2,307 days, over 6 years, until November 1982, far exceeding its 90-day design life. Viking 1 orbiter continued imaging until 1980, completing 1,489 orbits of Mars. Viking 2 lander functioned for 1,316 days until April 1980, when its batteries failed. Viking 2 orbiter operated until 1978, when it ran out of attitude control gas. Percentages show mission duration relative to Viking 1 lander's record-setting lifetime. Unveiling Mars's ancient past. The Viking orbiter mosaic revealed vast channels and outflow plains, convincing evidence that water once flowed across the Martian surface. These discoveries fundamentally changed our understanding of Mars's history and potential for past habitability. The Viking program's scientific impact. Atmospheric science characterized Mars's thin atmosphere as 95% carbon dioxide with traces of nitrogen, argon, and water vapor. Scientific foundation established the framework for all subsequent Mars exploration missions, defining key questions. Geological insights revealed Mars as a world of volcanic plains, impact craters, and wind-shaped features. Evidence of water, documenting striking landforms shaped by ancient flowing water, including massive channels and outwash plains. The cost and scale of Viking. A massive undertaking. The cost total was $1 billion in 1970s dollars, approximately $4.8 billion today. Largest and most complex Mars mission of its era. Demonstrated NASA's unparalleled capability for interplanetary landing and surface science. The Viking program employed over 10,000 people at its peak, representing a significant national investment in space exploration. Part 3. From Mariner to Viking, a technological evolution. The path from Mariner to Viking represented a remarkable technological leap, building on earlier success while pioneering entirely new capabilities for Mars exploration. Engineering innovations. Imaging systems. Mariner 4's basic camera evolved into Viking's sophisticated imaging systems capable of panoramic surface photography. Power generation. Viking's radioisotope thermoelectric generators, RTGs, provided reliable power for years, even during dust storms. Landing technology. Advanced entry, descent and landing systems ensured soft touchdowns on challenging Martian terrain. Surface operations. Revolutionary robotic arms and automated laboratory systems enabled the first extraterrestrial soil analysis, paving the way for future Mars exploration. Viking's enduring legacy. Data-guided later missions, Pathfinder, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity and Perseverance. Established protocols for searching for life and analyzing Martian geology. Inspired decades of robotic exploration and scientific discovery. Every successful Mars mission since has built upon the foundation laid by Viking, adapting its lessons and expanding its scientific legacy. Conclusion. The legacy of Mariner and Viking missions. From first glimpses to first footsteps, these pioneering missions transformed Mars from mystery to known world. Their legacy continues to inspire humanity's quest to explore and understand our planetary neighbour, laying the groundwork for possible human exploration in the coming decades.